Okay, and we're back for more. Take a look at this right here. Okay, we have two different graphs. This one is similar, except rather than given an equation and f of x, and you have to produce a new function g of x, what we have here is I have the original f of x and the new function in red, g of x, and I have to create the equation. And I'm also asked to describe the transformation and all that sort of thing. Okay, so let's get all three things. First of all, the description of this transformation, you could probably do just by observing. Okay, you can pick any point, say you pick A, and you figure out, okay, I have to get to this new A prime point. I have to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 units to the left. So I know my horizontal translation is 8 units left. And then I have to go up 1, 2, 3. My vertical translation is 3 units up. Okay, well, that's great. So I have done the first part. I described in words the translations that are happening. Let's take those translations and put them in both a mapping notation and an equation. So in the mapping notation, we have directly the horizontal and vertical translation. So I know if I'm going 8 units left, I should have x minus 8. Remember, to the left is negative, to the right is positive. And my vertical translation is up 3 units, so I have something like this. Now what I can do is I can come up with the equation. So I'm kind of working backwards here. Notice that my new equation, g of x, is some version of the original f of x function. So I would have f of x plus 8, because I have to change the sign of what comes after the x, and then the vertical translation I just put here in the end. And now I have both the equation and the mapping notation completed for this question. And once you've gotten through that, okay, there's some more questions in the textbook that you can work on. I've already assigned these ones in the previous video, but you can work on the rest of these questions, and they are all concerning horizontal and vertical translations.